Hi everyone. In this video we're going to look at two stereocenters. So two molecules that have four different atoms bonded to our central atom there. And we're also going to identify whether these are chiral, and then we'll also try to identify whether they are R or S. Okay. So these are two molecules that are mirror images of each other. We have a blue atom, a white atom, a green atom, and a red atom on each molecule. So I'm going to try to superimpose this mirror image onto the original molecule on the left. So I'm going to rotate this and then try to line up these atoms. But you'll notice we can't. The red and the green atoms are flipped, so they are not superimposable. And that means that these are chiral molecules. Okay, so let's now try to assign R or S to each molecule. So remember, in order to assign R or S, we have to first prioritize the atoms by atomic mass. So I just arbitrarily chose blue as number 1, red as number 2, green as number 3, and white as number 4. And then what we do is we draw a circle from number 1 to number 3, and we decide, okay, is it counterclockwise or clockwise? So is the circle going towards the left or towards the right? If the circle is counterclockwise going towards the left, then the molecule has an S conformation. If the circle is going clockwise to the right, we have an R conformation. Now typically what we would want to do is move this molecule so that the lowest priority atom is in the back. So let's do that. Okay. So let's start with the molecule on the left. So we're going to draw a circle from the highest priority atom, which is blue, to the second, which is red, to the third, which is green. So as we draw our circle, it's in a clockwise direction and it's going towards the right. So let me just draw that circle here. All right, so that means we have an R conformation. Now what about our molecule on the right? So we're going to start with the highest priority atom, which is blue, to red, to green. Okay, so now we're going in the opposite direction. We're going counterclockwise to the left. So that would have an S conformation. All right, now one thing that might happen occasionally is the lowest priority atom might be in front. And if that's the case, you'll still follow all the rules we just followed. So we'll make a circle from highest priority to second to third. So our circle here tells us we're going to the right in a clockwise manner. But because our lowest priority atom is in the front, it's actually going to be the opposite. So here we would assume we have an R conformation, right? But because this is in the front, it's actually S. So if your lowest priority atom's in the front, you're just going to flip or choose the opposite result from what you would expect. And we already determined this was an S molecule, right? So this tells us, okay, we have an R conformation, but our lowest priority atom's in the front, so it's actually an S conformation. Okay, so I hope that helped a little bit with understanding the lecture so far. Sometimes it's easier to see things in 3D. And again, I highly recommend getting a modeling kit. That can help a lot as you move forward. And I will see you in the next video.